Welcome to our Walls Ice Cream Factory. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how your favorite ice cream treats are made, from fresh milk to frozen perfection.
Here in the flavor preparation area, premium vanilla beans from Madagascar are meticulously inspected and processed for our signature extracts.
Make sure these mangoes are perfectly ripe.
Got it, checking them now. These strawberries look amazing.
Nuts are roasted to perfection in rotating drum roasters. Chocolate chips are tempered for optimal texture.
For premium custard-style ice creams, pasteurized egg yolks are received and processed.
Every ingredient must pass our rigorous quality standards before production begins. From farm-fresh
At the formulation station, technicians load the specific recipe for today's production run, classic vanilla.
Grations. Granulated sugar is dispensed into the mixing vessel. High-speed agitation ensures complete dissolution.
Pre-measured stabilizers and emulsifiers are introduced through a specialized blending manifold. The powders disperse evenly, preventing clumping. The mixed base enters high-pressure homogenizers, powerful machines that force the mixture through tiny orifices at 2500 psi. The homogenized mix enters the continuous pasteurization system. Heat exchangers raise the temperature to immediately after pasteurization. The mixture passes through cooling heat exchangers that rapidly reduce the temperature from 185 degrees Fahrenheit.
At the flavor addition station, concentrated flavorings are integrated into the cooled base mix. For vanilla,
the flavored mix is pumped into refrigerated aging tanks, where it will rest for 4 to 24 hours.
Throughout the aging process, quality technicians monitor each batch. Temperature logs confirm proper cold chain. Before aging is complete, comprehensive testing verifies batch readiness. Laboratory analysis.
With batch release confirmed, transfer lines to the freezing equipment are sanitized and prepared. Clean-in-place systems have pre-sanitized all pathways. After hours of careful aging, our ice cream base has developed the perfect flavor profile and texture. At this moment, it's still liquid at 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Within seconds, transformation begins.
Outlet is holding at -7.5.
Roger. Refrigerant line C had a slight dip, now corrected. Logged.
For varieties like cookies and cream or chocolate chip, inclusions are added immediately after freezing.
For rippled varieties, chocolate, caramel, or fruit sauces are injected into the frozen ice cream. At the hardening tunnel exit, core temperature verification ensures complete freezing. Infrared thermometers and
Transformed from liquid to perfectly frozen ice cream, our product now moves to packaging, where it will be portioned, wrapped, and prepared. The tub filling line produces classic Walls ice cream pints and family-size containers. Empty containers are depalletized and conveyed to the filling station.
and vacuum agents. The novelty bar line produces ice cream bars through precision molding. Stainless steel molds travel through
Individually wrapped items are grouped into multi-packs for retail sale. Robotic collation systems arrange products in
All packaged products pass through comprehensive quality inspection. Metal detectors screen for contaminants.
verified products are loaded into shipping cases by robotic case packers. Cases are erected from flat blanks. Products are loaded in precise patterns. Cases are stacked onto shipping pallets by automated palletizers. Layer by layer, cases are arranged in
Zone 3, Aisle 12, Bay 5. Pick 2 cases of product alpha.
Protected by an unbroken cold chain, our Walls ice cream now travels to retail freezers across
Bills. Microbiological testing ensures every batch is safe for consumers. Samples are plated on selective growth media and ink.
Nutritional analysis verifies contents and match label claims. Fat is measured by soxhlet extraction. Protein by In our sensory evaluation room, trained taste panelists assess every product variety. Individual texture analysis equipment objectively measures ice cream physical properties. Penetrometers measure hardness and scoopability.
ongoing shelf life testing monitors product quality over time. Samples from each batch are stored under controlled conditions and periodically evaluated.
The Complaint Investigation Unit responds to consumer concerns. Every complaint is documented, investigated, and resolved.
Morning shift's looking good. Keep those temperatures steady.
Copy that. First truck's unloaded. Routes are optimizing now.
Hi there. Right this way, please.
The product that began as fresh milk and premium ingredients is now in the hands of the person who will enjoy it.
Ah, this looks delicious.
Yes! Yay!
Yay, ice cream!
Here you go.
From the finest ingredients
Through precision manufacturing to freezers in homes everywhere, and that's how your favorite Walls ice cream is made. From farm fresh milk and premium ingredients to perfectly frozen treats.
Subscribe for more factory tours and food production documentaries.